Hi friends, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee. As you all know, I am a booktuber and I am making videos on this book. The name of this book is The Laws of the Spirit World. As I always say to you that this book is this long and I cannot make full book in one video. So what I am doing is that I am making videos on each and every topic, okay? And in our last video we have covered this topic, our feelings in the spirit world. And in this video I'm going to cover this topic. The name of this topic is Jimmy's story. On earth people are not what they seem, right? So, and this is going to be the 34th topic and the 34th video. And friends, I'm doing one thing, I'm giving number to each and every video. So whenever if you see the video sequence wise 1 2 3 4, then you will understand it in a better way, okay? So you can come sequence wise, and you can also comment me in the comment section if you have any doubts in regards to this topic, or if you have any doubts in anything, you can comment me. You can connect me with you can connect with me on Instagram. And do subscribe the channel, like the video, press the bell icon, so whenever I update a new video you will get the notification, okay friends? So I will start with today's video. uh, this is the name of this topic is Jimmy's story. On earth people are not what they seem. So this is the topic, so I will start. We would like to tell you a true story about our friend Jimmy, uncle. We have changed his name out of respect. So here Vipsi and Ratu is going to tell us a true story about his about his uncle. The name of the uncle is Jimmy uncle. So he have changed the name of that person for the respect. Actually, the name of the person is different. He was an excellent speaker and very charming during his time on earth. He showed the world that he was a good soul who did not harm anyone. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us about his uncle. The name of the uncle is Jimmy uncle. So he used to show the earth to people that he is a very good soul. He is helping. He is very kind, and he's always trying to help everybody by money and each and everything. So and he doesn't harm anyone. He showed us all that he always helped many people by giving them jobs, clothing, food, and plenty of money. He prayed regularly for hours, and his wife and children were just like him. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling us that their Jimmy uncle, they used to always see their Jimmy uncle helping others, always praying to God for a very long period of time, helping the poor, giving food to the poor, always doing all the karmas, good karmas. He constantly praised his wife, who was beautiful but unwise. His children got through school by mere parroting. He had high hopes for them and often praised their intelligence. So here, their Jimmy uncle used to praise about their wife, about the children, that their children are so good, that he is so good, his wife is so good. Like father, like son, they say his children followed in their father's footstep, and the people on the earth praised them all. So the people living on the earth at that time always used to praise, he's a very good person, he help everybody, he is so kind, he is so loving. They were very rich and famous, and very popular. So no one would ever have thought they would go anywhere but straight to the heaven. So they were rich, they were having a lot of money. So the society and the people used to have a thought for them that yes, definitely this person is going to go to directly to the heaven, and the doors of the heaven is directly going to open for this person. We knew them very well, and when Jimmy uncle died, we were still alive on the earth. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling, when Jimmy uncle was no more, Vipsi and Ratu was still alive. Okay. We prayed for his soul and consoled his wife and children, telling them that he must have immediately gone to the heaven. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling that they used to tell Vipsi and Ratu went to their house and said to their wife, don't worry, your husband was a gem of a person, and I believe definitely he has gone to the heaven. What fool we were! On earth one cannot judge a soul. So correctly. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling they were a very big fool to think that their Jimmy uncle is going to go to the heaven, because on the earth we cannot judge any soul whether that soul is good or bad. So this is said by Vipsi and Ratu in this paragraph. A while after we returned to our spirit world, we remembered Jimmy uncle. So we began to search for him on our realm. So when Vipsi and Ratu went to the spirit world, so he remembered their Jimmy uncle. So he started searching Jimmy uncle on his realm. That was in 1981. We were on realm 6. So in the sixth realm, he was searching where is Jimmy uncle. So we couldn't find him. So we thought that a good soul like him would be on the realm 7, the highest realm. So here Vipsi and Ratu thought such a good soul like them would definitely be in the realm 7. So on the highest realm. Since we had wanted to surprise him, we hadn't called out to him with our thought at first. But we couldn't find him on realm 6. We projected our thought to realm 7. So here they Vipsi and Ratu thought that we will give surprise to a Jimmy uncle and we won't call them through our thought. So he went and searched in realm 7. So he projected their thought to realm 7 and he called out him, Jimmy uncle, we are here in the spirit world. Come and meet us on realm 6. We did not receive a response. So here Vipsi and Ratu said they called out by their thought, hey Jimmy uncle, we are in the realm 6, so you come and meet us. But here then no reply came of Jimmy uncle. We didn't receive a response. So they didn't receive any response. Ratu said Vipsi, he must have gone beyond 7 as he was a real good soul. I added, must be we will ask our high good soul. So here Vipsi and Ratu thought that Jimmy uncle was such a good soul. He definitely have gone further than realm 7. So they said that we will ask our high good soul for our Jimmy uncle. As we were newcomers to the spirit world, it had never occurred to us to look for him on the lower realm. So here, as Vipsi and Ratu was telling, they were newcomer in the spirit world. As they so they have never thought of looking their uncle in the lower realm. We went to the high good soul and inquired about Jimmy uncle. His high good soul smiled and said, he is neither here on realm 6 nor on realm 7. When you go down to the lower realm, try to find him there. So here Vipsi and Ratu said that here the high good soul said to Vipsi and Ratu, your Jimmy uncle is neither in realm 7 or neither in realm 6. So he said whenever you go in the lower realm, you find your Jimmy uncle. Try to find your Jimmy uncle. So we were stunned and said, that is impossible, sir. He was a very good soul, much better than us. He replied smilingly, yes, yes, I have heard that, but still go and look for him on the lower realm when I send you there to do some work. So here Vipsi and Ratu is, here high good soul said to Vipsi and Ratu, whenever I will send you to do some work in the lower realm, you find your Jimmy uncle, you may get there. So we felt bad and wanted to tell his high good soul all about Jimmy uncle and the good deeds he had done on earth. But we kept quiet because his high good soul knows better than us. So here Vipsi and Ratu said that we will tell to his high good soul about the that he was a very good person, he was a very kind person, he used to help everybody. But still Vipsi and Ratu had been quiet. He thought that the high good soul definitely know better than us. So he didn't said anything. After some time, his high good soul called us and said, I am giving you to this opportunity to find out about your friend Jimmy uncle. I am giving you some work to do. So go down to the lower realm, do your work, and then try to find him. So here Vipsi and Ratu, his high good soul said, called Vipsi and Ratu and said that we are giving some good task to you in the lower realm. First do that task, then find your Jimmy uncle there. We were happy to go to work on the lower realm. After finishing our work on realm 3, we called out Jimmy uncle, but there were no response. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling, after finishing all the work in the realm 3, Vipsi and Ratu called Jimmy uncle. Jimmy uncle, where are you? But there was no response. We were happy. So we came back to our own realm and told his high good soul. So Vipsi and Ratu were happy that no, we didn't find, maybe the our Jimmy uncle maybe on the higher realm. So maybe high good soul were wrong. So Vipsi and Ratu were thinking in that way. His high good soul laughed and said, Vipsi and Ratu, I want you to find him so that you can learn something that will be tremendous good for you. So I give permission and protection to you both to go to Realm 2. Find him, talk to him, and ask him why he is there. So here his high good soul were laughing. He said, Vipsi Ratu, okay, now I am going to give you to go to the permission to go to Realm 2, and I am going to give you protection. And you go there and ask your Jimmy uncle why your Jimmy uncle is there in the realm 2. So he gave them the task to go there. Now let's see what happens. We were very surprised and scared as we had never been and sent to lower than realm 3 for work. His high good soul assured us that we would be protected and sent us down. So here Vipsi and Ratu said they were afraid because they have never gone below lower realm 3 for the work. But at the same point of time, the high good soul of Jimmy uncle assured that don't worry, I am going to give you protection to go to realm 2. This protection was excellent and no one could see or harm us. We went searching for Jimmy uncle in that dark, horrible place. It was a shock to find him there in his state and stunned and miserable. So when Vipsi and Ratu went there to uh, find his Jimmy uncle in the realm 2, so he at last find Jimmy uncle or realm 2, and he was at darkest and lowest place, and he was shocked, Vipsi and Ratu, by seeing Jimmy uncle, that he was such a good soul, then how he could be at this place. We became visible only to him, and he was surprised to see us. He felt very ashamed that we had found out what a bad soul he was. So when his Jimmy uncle saw Vipsi and Ratu in that place, so Jimmy uncle felt very ashamed that Vipsi and Ratu came to know which type of soul we were. We could not stop ourselves from asking, what did you do that brought you here, Jimmy uncle? So here Vipsi and Ratu can't stop him to ask, why Jimmy uncle, why you are here? And he poured out his story. It was a terrible story, and it was so startling that a man like Jimmy uncle, so popular, nice and good on the outside, was so terrible and mean within. So after listening to the story, Vipsi and Ratu felt so sad, right? So such a person like Jimmy uncle, who was such a famous person in this earth, can be so bad. So Vipsi and Ratu cannot believe our Jimmy uncle could be so bad. So friends, today's topic came to an end. So today we covered this topic. The name of this topic is Jimmy's story. On earth, people are not what they seem. So in our next video, I will be covering this topic called Jimmy's story continued. You cannot fool God Almighty. So this is the next topic which I am going to cover. And friends, as I always say that this book is this long, and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making topic by topic. So whenever you people see it, you will understand, and you will see it in a very you can understand, and you will be understanding it in a proper way. So and you do comment me, do subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, so whenever I update a new video, you will immediately get the notification, friends. Okay, and you can do connect me on Instagram. So if you have any doubts in regards to any in this topic, anything, you can ask me. And friends, so this video came to an end. Okay, bye bye, and you all stay blessed, you all stay fine, stay happy. Okay, friends, bye. I will meet you in the next video. Okay, bye.